A very beautiful morning to all my beautiful children. In today's session, we are going to discuss about what is notice writing. Alright, so being all English learners, you should know what is notice writing and how to write it and what is the correct format of notice writing. So let's start with the session and let me make you understand about notice writing. So first of all, I would like to explain you that what is notice writing. A notice is a written or printed announcement. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. It could be an upcoming event, competition, lost and found, notice, or just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. It is generally written in a formal tone. Alright, notices are factual and to the point. The language used is simple in format, not flowery. Flowery means you are not supposed to use any jumbled words so that everybody can understand. While using the particular words into the notice writing, you need to be very sure about that. Okay, notice writing has to be very precise and crystal clear. The language used is simple and formal, not flowery. As I said earlier, they are put up on display boards in school or in public places. You must be aware about the notice writing because it is there in your syllabus also, and your teacher has taught it in the class also, and you must have come across different kinds of notices in your school also. Like sometimes you have got the notices regarding holidays, sometimes you have got the notices regarding examinations, sometimes you have got the notices regarding your administration holidays also. Okay, so there are different, and or you can say there are various kinds of notices in English grammar. Now in this session I have explained you that what is notice writing, and it is there from class 6 to 12th. Okay, the CBSE has prescribed a perfect format of notice writing to be followed by the students. So the notice writing format is as follows. As you can see in this picture, I have made this format for you all, and this is for everyone, so you can clearly see it. At the top of the line you can say name of the writing agency or authority. Okay, so the notice should contain all the necessary details like this. So the first thing comes at the very top line, that is name of the issuing authority or agency. So that can be your school or any office or any other company, etc. The second thing comes your date of issue, release of the notice. Alright, that means here you have to mention about the date of issue, on which date the notice is being issued, or you can say the notice is being released. And the third thing comes title, subject of the event. That means on which particular title, on which particular event the notice is being issued to the students. For example, there is an annual sports meet in your school that is going to be happen in the month of February 2022. All right, so regarding this event, your school will prescribe, or your school will release a notice in this particular format. All right, and after that the next thing comes body. What is body over here? Body means when you have to write the particular points regarding the event, that the event will happen on such and such date, on such and such time, from this duration to this duration, and you have to mention about the place and venue also, that when and where the event is going to be happen. Okay, and the last thing comes your authorized signatory. Okay, so in this you have to write your name and you have to sign the notice also. Okay, so your contact details. So as we have seen that whenever there is a notice released in your school, the notice is signed by your principal, because the principal is the governing authority in the higher management.